How you show up for yourself is how everyone else will show up for you. Here's how you can stop overgiving in a relationship, especially if you're a person, an empath, or struggling with people pleasing. Overgiving can seem almost easy because you just have so much love to give and you just give, 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 give. But if that isn't being reciprocated, that's my cat, I locked her out for a second. But if that isn't reciprocated, it can feel draining. It can feel like you're not appreciated. And so these things have helped me, and hopefully they help you. So something you can do is, okay, I will honor myself. If I don't want to do something, if I don't want to give something, then that's okay. I will sit with the discomfort. It's okay. I will honor myself once a day, twice a day, and you start just honoring and honoring and honoring yourself more and more and more. You set these rules, set these like little games with yourself. Like, if I don't feel like doing something, I'm not going to do it. And it's okay to feel bad, because sometimes your mind starts tricking you and you feel guilty for not doing certain things. So that's one thing. Another thing you can start doing is accepting compliments, something so simple like compliments or gifts, or if someone just do something kind for you from the kindness of their heart, accept it. You don't have to do anything in return. Just accept it. Accept it, say thank you, show gratitude, show how much you love it, but you don't have to do anything in return because they're doing it because they want to. And you do things because you want to, not because you expect something in return. And that is such a beautiful thing when you can master that, because you can accept things fully without feeling guilty or feeling like you owe them something or like restricting, because that's abundance. The universe will give you abundance in different forms. So just think of it that way and just allow yourself to be soaked in abundance. And when you do things, also you will provide and you will give from wholeness, not because you feel bad, not because you, whatever it is. That's just how there can be an imbalance. So just acknowledging like, okay, am I being honored? Am I being appreciated? Am I doing this because I truly want to, or am I doing it because I feel like I have to, or do I feel guilty, etc., etc., etc. So just kind of knowing yourself and being true and honest and brutally honest with yourself. And I think if you do work on those things, that you will actually start seeing an improvement around your life, how people treat you, and you will stop overgiving. Pour more love into yourself. Self-love can sometimes be skewed or misinterpreted as selfish, but in the contrary, this is a way that you can set boundaries, because how can you show up for yourself more? How can you love yourself more? By setting boundaries with yourself for situations like this, because you can overgive, right? Or people step all over you, for example, or sometimes if you don't pour self-love into yourself, your standards can lower because you don't have that love for yourself. So the world is mirroring that to you. So just having some self-love and having some boundaries, because this kind of goes hand in hand. Self-love, how can you show up for yourself? How can you love yourself more? By setting healthy boundaries. And how can you also show up for yourself more and love yourself? By keeping promises that you've made for yourself. So it all kind of ends up under this umbrella of self-love. But the more you love yourself, the more you set these boundaries and these promises to yourself and actually like go forward with that and go through with them, that's how you will raise your value. That's how you will raise your confidence. That's how you will start trusting yourself. And in return, the universe will also start showing you and start aligning you with people that mirror that same self-belief. It's also like working on your self-image if you are into manifestation. And you can do affirmations for these. You can do meditations with these. And an affirmation that I will show you, because I love affirmations, is I love myself, I honor myself, and I have these boundaries because I deserve love in return, because I deserve to be cared for, and I'm worthy of all the love, all the desire, all the abundance in the world, because I am special and I deserve the same reciprocation in return. And so it is. Everyone loves me. Everyone adores me. I am amazing. I am beautiful. I am so magnetic. I am treated with respect. I get everything I ever wanted, everything I ever want. It always comes to me effortlessly. Another way you can also show self-love to yourself and pour into yourself is having a morning and night routine. That really, really helped me, because you're giving yourself that moment to say your affirmations. You're giving yourself that moment to kind of love yourself, to slow down, and to, it can be something simple like taking a shower, you doing your affirmations, taking your time with, whatever your routine is, and really honoring yourself. How you show up for yourself is how everyone else will show up for you. Of course, if you overgive and it feels good and authentic to you and everything is beautiful, then that is amazing. But you are watching this video for a reason, and hopefully this helps, and I'll talk to you soon.